Hello everyone, and this is Gabriel Sunday here, and I just wanted to do a brief tutorial on how to actually use the new Elicate AI, which actually generates whatever words you input into images. So let's get started. To get started with our software, all you have to do is basically you have this bar right here. You can see there's a hint in there where you can say a corgi wearing a top hat as an oil painting. So let's just try that out. You can put in whatever you want, and it will generate whatever you wanted to generate in its text. So a corgi wearing a top hat as an oil painting. Wearing a top hat as an oil painting. Beautiful. So let's click when you enter something in here, all you have to do is click the generate button. So what this does is it starts generating whatever text you input there, and it starts processing it. There's a lot of work going in the back end, but it will generate whatever image it generates will be displayed on this mini window on the middle right here. Don't be confused. Don't worry about all these settings. Don't let them confuse you. They're basically very simple. These right here, let me click generate. As I explained, it should be generating something. These settings right here, just define your photo resolution. If you want it to be for a desktop, maybe, for example, you can check the dimensions of your desktop and change these values accordingly, and it should generate an image which actually fits there. And right here you have a batch count. This simply means the number of images that are going to be generated simultaneously from that one prompt you gave it. So right now I'm generating 3 images. So this usually takes about 20 seconds to generate one image, which is fairly fast enough. And we can do the math. 3 images, it will obviously take a bit longer than it should. So there we have it. We have a corgi wearing a top hat as an oil painting. So this is an oil painting of a corgi. A corgi is a dog. So we have that. We have that. You can basically go freestyle on this. You can try out a prompt like something totally random. Let's try a chicken riding a bicycle on a rainy day. So I don't know how this will come out, but I'm sure it will be way better on a rainy day. So let's generate again. I want 3 images. So don't worry, when you generate such images, you just need to save them. You just right click on the screen and save the image, save as, and follow the procedure. Just save it and it will be saved to your computer. For mobile phones, just long click on the image and it should bring up some options to save the image. So let me click on generate, see what we get. Beautiful. So what it generates, I just want to explain this important step right here. This is model, so you have different models: DDIM, POMS, KDPM, and so on. So these models each generate images differently. If you're not satisfied with the generation that KLMS gives you, you can just go ahead and use a different model, maybe DDIM, POMS, different models for different things. And then this right here is the steps that the system is making on each image. So just to make things easier, a step is simply the amount of processing time the processor will take to generate one image. So obviously when we put more processing time, it will generate a better image quality. So there we have a chicken riding a bicycle. That's really funny. That's a human. Okay, this is a chicken riding a bike. and then we have another chicken. I don't know, are these tires? I think a chicken is standing on tires, but we have a very beautiful output. So you can basically go freestyle, like the famous post I made where we say Will Smith as Superman. This will generate Will Smith if Will Smith was Superman. Can't wait to see how that is generated. So basically we have these other options as well. These are just enhancers. This one right here enhances an image if it contains a face, and the face gets enhanced. So you can use this if you're not satisfied with the output that was initially given to you when you generated your first image. And then here we've got real ESR gun. This actually just improves the resolution of the image, makes it a bigger image, and it also improves on the quality. So this actually, this one is a bit tricky. Let us generate an image. So this actually adds an image inside the image you have created. So this is basically creating images from scratch. And what happens is you have a very new image that no one else in the world has, and you can further edit this on this page. So let's see the output of this this step we have just run, and then I can show you from that step. So it gives us an image of Will Smith as a Superman. Then we want maybe probably to change the background. We're not happy with the background. Can go and click on this step and then just add a background. Say background of maybe background a man is in hell. Then it will notice the current image. If there is a man in your current image, it will crop out the man and then generate a hell for it. So it won't get an image from the internet. It just generates there and then. So we have this right here. Wow, beautiful. We have Will Smith right here, obviously with the original Superman. I think it's some kind of they're fighting, I think. We'll go right here. I don't know who that is. There's no he's out of the frame. And then we have Will Smith, obviously, but it's cropped out. But that's how good this is. I want to check out another prompt. I want to say Celine Dion as just say a basketball player, something that we both know this will never happen. So you just go on generate. Once again, you can save these images. Right click and save the images. So just wait for that to generate. See how well Celine Dion will be created. So this is using machine learning. It will go to the internet, learn Celine Dion's face. It's not getting Celine Dion's face in real time. It's just learning how she looks. It comes back here and generates its own image. That's how come you're having original images, which you can actually sell on websites where you can sell images. Right? You can sell your image at any price you want. And it's all free. This system is all free. You're not gonna pay a dime. Not now. Maybe in the future. I don't know. But for now, it's free. You can always come back here and generate as many images as you see fit. And if at all you see deteriorations in performance goes real bad or goes bad, you can just try to reload some other time. Obviously, it will be because of the many people trying to generate these many images, so you can always come back after some time. Since this is a beta version, it's not a final version, it's a beta version. We're trying to run tests, see how well our servers can handle your requests. So I hope this makes you happy that there is now an existing system to bring out your imagination to life. You can share these images wherever you want. So we have got some more advanced settings on this end. This button right here creates prompt matrix. This simply means when you press enter, what happens? So when you enter your prompt here and then you press enter, what happens? Oh, so oh no, that's not the setting. It's create prompt matrix. Separate multiple prompts using that and get all combinations of them. Sorry, I was thinking of the setting that's already in this version, in this other diffuser. So what's really going on here is you can separate, you can add sorry, just press the speech recognition. You can add this symbol right there and then type in another prompt and it will generate those many images. Let's say I want another, maybe a picture of let me use Will Smith on a date with who? With I don't know, I hope this doesn't get me in trouble, with Beyonce. You definitely don't have to try that out, but just explaining. So when you run this, it will generate that and that image separately. You don't have to generate weight. You can prompt in a lot of prompts at once and have it generate all those images at once for you. So this is definitely taken a bit longer than it should, but I guess you get the concept. So guys, go to elicate.com and click on generate now in order to generate your free images today. Thank you and have a nice day.